Wala. Rebound. Indigo. Indigo, three-pointer. Basket, uses the glass. Tries to save it and does. That's going to be white ball. Jopenko. Empty pass, Bernard ulit. That is good for two. Katibog. Pass sa gitna. Paet, wala. Pinlock. Nice pass. Goes for the reverse. Masyadong malalim. Aray ko. Maniebo. Drops it over. Paet. That's good for two. Di ako nagulat na na. Kapit lang po tayo ha. Kapit lang po. Baka maubos. 4 na quarter ho yan. And that is a challenge. Three-pointer. Basket for three. Labadan. Pinlock. Pull-up jumper is good. Three-pointer again. Wala. Rebound, Pinlock. One-on-one situation. Pinlock. Kanya na raw. Basket. Grabe yun. 6 straight points. Courtesy of Bernard. Maniebo. Kicks it out. Katibog. Binigay sa kabila. Basket. Post move. Drop shot, wala. Rebound. Indigo. Ito na si Reyno. Reyno. Stop. Pull up. Air ball. Sir, gamitin niyo po yung bench, sir. Sir, bench po tayo, sir. Sa bench po. Wag po tayong ano dyan. Or mag-coach na lang po kayo kung gusto ninyo. Ganun ho ba? O, tumayo ka na lang, sir. Bawal po kasing sumandal, sir.
Puti na yung buko.
That is good for two.
Pasensya na sir, bench video rin kasi. Baka kasi kularang ka na iba.
Jopenko, binigay sa gitna. Nagkasundutan and there is a foul. Foul on number 18, that is a holding. Number 18, that's gonna be your first personal first team foul. Jopenko, susubok sa tres. Wala. Rebound. Arman. Kicks it out. Jopenko, lumapit ng konti. Wala pa rin. Rebound, Reyno. Binigay sa gilid. Binalik kay Reyno. Fakes it. And there is a foul. Foul on number 7. that is a hit to the hand, 2 shots. Number 7, that's going to be your first personal, first team foul. First free throw, wala. Second free throw, wala pa rin. Ito na, Chopenko. Chopenko. Binigay sa gitna, alanganin. Nabitawan ng bola. Ito na si Maniego. Napasigaw si Madam. Ito na si Bernard. Bumitaw and gets foul. Foul on number 11. That is a push. 2 shots. Number 11, that's going to be your first personal, second team foul. Second free throw, makes them both. Grabe, all scoring galing kay Bernard. Wala pang score sa ibang teammates. Katibog. Jumper is good. Bernard. Oh! Pasayawan na pa, oh. That's a travel.
Akala daw eh.
Triangle offense, wala. Rebound. Lakanilaw. Ito na. Enzo, wala. Foul on number 18. That is a hit to the hand. 2 shots. Number 18, that's going to be your second personal, third team foul. First free throw is a miss. Ready po for substitution? Substitution rep. Baseline drive, pass sa ilalim, alanganin, ito na ulit, Bernard. Bernard running, goes for the layup, basket. Baila, bigay sa gilid, Paet, kicks it out, Reyno, fakes it, pulls up for a 2, wala, rebound, Lakanilaw, ito na ulit si Bernard. Bernard takes his time, sa kanan naman dinala. Basket ulit. Bernard, too much scoring today. Substitution rep. Sub. Pasuyo na lang po sa mga players natin, mga substitution po, paki-advance na lang po. Time out! Indigo. Again, nananawagan po kami, both teams, pag magta-time out at magsa-substitution po, gawin nyo po in advance. Dumaan po kayo dito sa table.
Lahat ng bumukas. Hindi ko yan nakita ko sa'yo. Tinanggal ko dito. Kasi pumapasok na ito na. Ito nga, gumaganyan na sa kanto. Pag natutulog ako.
Alright, back to the ball game.
Dito, dito.
Basket. Wait lang po. Number 11 yung Quintas po. Pakitanggal, sir. Baka mahatiyan ka po ng leeg. Substitution na rin. Alright. Ito na po sila. Hindi nagsasaya ng oras. Indigo. Katibog. Baila. 10 seconds to shoot. Rebound, White. Bernard na naman. Quaton, binigay. Arman, wala. Rebound. Scramble, kanino? Indigo. Ito na si Baila. 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 Wala. Napabulyaw na lang si Madam. Bago yan, traveling muna, sir. Two minutes remaining para sa ating first quarter. Bernhard. Short. Tapikan sa bola. Ito na si Reyno. Reyno. Basket for two. And there is a foul. Foul on number 17. That is a push. Substitution, Red. Substitution. Number 17. That's going to be your first personal 14 foul warning for penalty. Reyes, Quaton, Burgos, susubok sa 3. Basket for 3. Baila fakes the pass. Baila, wala. Rebound. That's gonna be last touch, Indigo. Under 1 minute remaining. Pinasa between the legs. That's a turnover.
Upo sa'yo, upo. Sige. Takin tayo, sir. Takin, takin.
Ball stolen. Hindi nakatingin. Natapik. Substitution ref. Tumul in, pinlock out. White ball po tayo. Wow. Burgos na naman. Basket for 3. Back to back. Four seconds difference between the shot clock and the game clock. 3-pointer. Basket din sa kabila. 10 seconds. Two. And that is your first quarter.
Nakadalawa agad, ha?
Hindi sir, galing kayo sa 14.
naman.
Nagtanong lang naman, nagtanong lang.
Hindi, wala kasi siyang guard. Concept point guard. Yan lang sila may guard.
Bisit. All right, back to the ball game.
Ako matitibol na. Sa atin, sila naka-jump ball kanina.
Bola po ng Indigo. Ayun sir, naka-arrow sa inyo po. Indigo po. Defense po ang white. Defense. Good po yan. Good po yun. Good po. And we do have a foul. Nagka-default lang po tayo sa buzzer. Nagka-default lang po. Pero good po yun. Basket, foul on number 32. That is a push. 2 shots. Number 32, that is your first personal.
Ha?
First free throw, wala.
Pinaro daw kami muna. Wala. Pinaro kasi kami sa St. Coach namin. Omo, basketball.
Paet, wala pa rin. Rebound. Naagawan.
Naras naman.
Ito na ulit, Indigo. 10 seconds. Jumper, wala pa rin. Ito na, Tumul. With the ball.
Ano? God squad.
Ito na, Tito Romel. Ano nangyari sa pa ni Romel? Pumapadyak. And meron muna tayong foul. Foul on number 11. That is a holding. Number 11, that's her second personal foul. First team foul. Substitution rep.
Kapasok lang, ulikat na agad.
Substitution po. Goes for the shot and there's another foul. Foul on number 14. That is a 6.5, 2 shots. Number 14, that's your first personal, second team foul. First free throw is good.
Dami pa namin guard eh. Wala namin sense. That is where...
Makes both free throws. Three-pointer. Basket.
Ayos sa ano yun, hindi tayo sa Gam Carol yata po sila.
Jacoby. Jacoby. Pass sa gitna. Good pass. Wala nga lang. Rebound pa rin ni number 7. Another try. Wala. Ito na. Katibog. Katibog gives it over the side. Baila. Free throw jumper. Wala. Rebound ni Reyno. Agawan sa bola. Kuha ni Jacoby. Advances the ball na andun. Nag-iisa. Takes his time. That's good for 2. Reyno. No. Rebound. White. Ito na ulit. Burgos. Jacoby. Jacoby. Kanya na raw. Wala pa rin. Ito na si Baila. Baila. Katibo. Jumper. Wala. Rebound. Number 7. Burgos. Binigay kay Jacoby. Jacoby. Binigay sa kabila. Libre for 2.
Late na rin ako nagsabi.
Too much screen. 10 seconds to shoot. Reyno, left open. Wala pa rin. Katibog with the rebound. Fancy pass. Malalim. At may kasamang basket. Basket count. Foul on number 8. That is a hit to the hand. Bonus shot. Number 8. That is your first personal. Second team foul. Uy, layo na na. Basket. Burgos. 3-pointer na naman. Medyo kapos. Ito na, Baila. Reyno. Layup is good. Timeout! Right. All right, back to the ball game. White, meron pa kayo isang timeout, White.
White ball, sa inyo bola.
White ball po.
Sa inyo bola, ako bola.
Nandito na ulit si Bernard. Jacoby, wow! Grabe po ito na yun. Fakes it. Takes it out. Katimo for 3. Basket. Pinilak, susubok. Muntik nang tumama. Reyno stops for a 3. Wala. Rebound. One-on-one situation. Bernard nagmamadali. And there is a foul. Zero yan, Kenny, 0. Foul on number 0. That is a blocking 2 shots. Number 0, that's going to be your first personal 3rd team foul. Wala pa rin mo. Nakuha ni number 7 pero follow-up is good. Ten seconds to shoot. Rebound, wow, power rebound by number 7. Ito na si Bernard, nagmamadali, kanya na raw. Gets the basket plus the foul. Basket count, foul number 17. Bonus shot. Ayaw ba ng bonus shot, sorry? Bonus shot, ayan, thank you. Number 17, that's gonna be your second personal 4th team foul, warning for penalty. And makes the 3-point play. Katibo gets defended. Baila. Pasa sa gitna. Belir goes for the spin. Bigay kay Baila. 2-pointer. Wala. Kaninong bola? Reyno pa rin. Goes for the fake. Step through. Lay up is good. Bernard goes for the spin. And there is a traveling.
Bell.
Travel po muna bago yung foul. Reyno, pasa sa ilalim. Napasigaw na lang, naagaw. Eto na. Jacoby, ang bilis. Lay up is good. Time out! Indigo.
Sabunan, sab-sab. Pahinga lang, pahinga. Pahinga lang.
Galing mo lang yan. Maninigil lang ako.
Malaki sa gitna ako ha. Sa depensa.
Remind us sa payment.
timeout ha. Third quarter na ulit.
Tingin mo? Remind us ulit sa payment, sir.
Bago po tayo mag-resume, reminder na lang po ulit sa ating mga payments and our commitments. Pasuyo na lang po. Nag-aantay po si Commissioner dito. Bukas palad pong tatanggap. Marami pong salamat. Alright, back to the ball game. Defense po ang white. Agawan sa bola. Ayun si Madam, nadala na naman. Pass sa ilalim. Basket is good for 2. Pinlak. Burgos. Pinlak ulit. Goes for the attack. Nawala ang bola. Agawan. Ito na si Katibog. Katibog. Binigay sa kabila. Maniebo. Wala nga lang. Ito na si Bernard. Bernard attacks. Lay up. Wala. Kanino ang bola? Indigo ang bola. Ito na si Maniebo. Maniebo. Katibog. Katibog. Stop for 3. Wala. Rebound. Reyes. Under 4 minutes remaining. Jacoby. Drops it over. Burgos. Uses the pass. That is good for 2.
Veteranong veterano eh. Galawang kan eh. Pang matanda.
Veterans na veterans. Maniebo. Bigay sa kabila. Labas kay Katibog. Nag-alangan na sa 3. Medyo maalat pa si Sir. Tapikan sa bola, but that is a kickball. Shot clock reset to 14. Substitution.
Lapit ka pag magsasabi.
Tawagin nyo na lang po yung sub. Ayan. Wait lang po. Okay. 14 seconds po yan. And there is a foul. Foul on number 8. That is a hit to the hand. It's going to be 2 shots. Number 8, that's your second personal. Third team foul. Substitution rep. Shoutouts. Bukan mo na sir. Pag na-shoot na po yung pangalawa. Baila. Waling. Second free throw. Having. Substitution rep.
Jun. Pahinga muna. Basta.
seconds to shoot. Drops it over, number 7. Baba po muna, meron tayong foul. Foul on number 16, that is a blocking foul. Substitution po, substitution. Number 16, that is your first personal penalty na po. Penalty. Penalty. Penalty po, penalty. First free throw is good. Make both free throws. Basket. And there is a foul. Foul on number 0. That's a hit to the head. Penalty po, penalty. Number 0, that's your second personal. Second attempt is good. Substitution there. Uy. 10 seconds to shoot. Ito na ulit ang White. Labagat takes his time. Bigay sa gilid. Tuwaton. 3-pointer. Wala. Rebound. Belir. Binigay kay Reyno. Reyno nagmamadali. Reyno crosses. No look pass. Layup. Wala. Reyno with the tip in. Wala pa rin. Ball gets blocked. Nakuha ng White. Ito na. Reyes. Reyes. Attacks Lacanilao. That's good for 2. Umage. Maniebo. Go down Maniebo. Pinasa sa baseline. Reyno. Floater. But gets fouled. Wait lang. Wait lang po sir. Steady ka lang dyan. What's the call there? Foul on number 11. That is a hit to the hand, 2 shots. Substitution there. Substitution. Number 11. That's going to be your first personal 4th team foul warning for penalty. First free throw is good. Makes both free throws. Seconds to shoot. 2-pointer. Good. Wala.
Tibog. Tibog. Kumano mag-dribble.
Maniebo, binigay, Umage. Binigay baseline, Reyno. 10 seconds. Wala. Rebound, White. Ito na, Labadan. 5 seconds difference between the shot clock and the game clock. Susubok ulit. Wala. Rebound, Reyno. Wala na tayong shot clock. Reyno nagmamadali. Reyno. And gets fouled. Foul on number 7. That is a push. 2 shots. Number 7, that's going to be your second personal. Penalty na rin po. 12 seconds remaining. First free throw is good. Makes both free throws. 8 seconds. Scramble for the rebound. And that is your first pass.
Big, oo nga eh. Hindi na nakakalimutan yan, no?
O yun, pa-share naman. Baka meron kayo yung extra. Nakalimutan. Yun lang. Sige, El Nino muna tayo.
Ikaw na dito, 60 ah. Madala ako ng mga maging nila din. Yan pa yun si Tropa. Pero, kaya next. Next na lang, maglalagay ako din.
Alright. Meron po kayong 1 minute para po sa stretching minute. Shoot around po pala.
Sige. Sige tayo na ng sinalim.
Wala siya ng tubig.
Hindi tubig, sakyan. Sige. Bilisan mo na kaya. Ayoko nang mabagal kayo.
Tama na lalagyan. Kukunin yung tubig ng battery. Tubig ng battery? Ano na yun?
Pangalan ah.
Alright, back to the ball game.
Hindi, kung tayo ng kape. Mainit pala.
Okay, next week, meron tayo.
Right ball, sir. Nagkaroon din kami ng kalimut na ng tubig.
Dala yung kami. Di pumunta yung magdadala. Akala niya nadala naman. White ball.
Bola. Saan bola kayo?
Ba't hindi pinabalik yung ano ba? Ano ba yan? Alright, bola po ng white. Reyes follow up, wala. Rebound Jacoby. Top shot, wala pa rin. Agawan sa bola, Katibog with the board. Katibog. Medyo nagpapahinga pa yata si Maniego. Armand retains control, takes the shot, plus the basket. Basket count, foul on number 9. That's a hit to the head. Bonus shot. Number 9, that's going to be your first personal, first team foul. And there's another foul on the floor. Foul on number 19, that is a blocking. Same ball po tayo. Number 19, that is your first personal, first team foul. Foul on number 11, that is a hit to the hand. Number 11, that is your second personal, second team foul. First free throw is a miss. And makes the second one. Ito na ang depensa. Jacoby bigay sa ilalim. Nawala, nakuha ni Reyes. That is a traveling. Ba't ka natatawa, Arman? Okay na yan. O, sige na po. Tapikan sa bola, wala. That's gonna be white ball. Jacoby, naiwan ng bantay, pinasa sa ilalim, acrobatic shot, wala, gets his own rebound. Nabitawan nga lang. Two-pointer, wala. Rebound. White. Jacoby. Tapik ang bola. Agawan, kanino kaya? It's gonna be Indigo ball. Ito na, Indigo. Advances the ball, nag-iisa, nakatulog. That is good for 2. Bernard nauna ang hakbang bago ang dribble. Substitution ref. Katibo for 3. Wala. Rebound na Kanilaw. Grabe yun. High RT ng rebound. Tiopenko. Natapik ang bola. It's gonna be same ball. White pa rin. Risky pass. Step through. Wala. Rebound Bernard. Dinaan na lang sa Bulyaw. Kuha ni Reyno. Reyno drops it over. Maniebo, 2-pointer, too strong. And there is a foul. Foul on number 0. That is a push. Number 0, that's your third personal second team foul. Chopenko, Lakanilaw nag-iisa. And gets fouled. Foul on number 11. That is a hit to the hand. 2 shots. Number 11. That is your third personal, third team foul. Para po sa Indigo. First free throw is an air ball. Ready po tayo for substitution. And makes the adjustment. Substitution ref. Reyno for 3. Wala. May pito muna tayo. That is a technical. Number 19. Disconcerting foul po yan. Bawal po mag-stamp, sir. Bawal po mag-stamp, bawal sumigaw, bawal po malakpak pag tumira na po. Technical po yun, sir. Technical. Technical foul po. Pa-clear na lang po ng perimeter. Free technical free throws po yan.
Yung pala hinihintay yung result tapos ganun pa rin.
Technical free throw is a miss. Same possession po tayo. 14-second shot clock. 14 seconds. Empty pass. Kicks it out. That's gonna be last touch in Indigo. Jacoby, naiwan na naman ang depensa. Binigay kay Burgos. Wala. And there is a foul. Foul on number 30. That is a hit to the hand. 2 shots. Number 30, that's going to be your first personal third team foul. First free throw is good. Second free throw, makes them both. That is a travel. Sub ka, sir. Time out. Okay, sige. Time out! White.
Tuloy pa natin.
All right, back to the ball game.
Ganun lang, kapit lang tayo, kapit lang.
Baila. Dinaan sa mga. Eugene baseline drive, kicks it out. Katimo for 3. Basket. Bernard attacks and gets fouled. Foul on number 9, that is a hit to the hand, 2 shots. Number 9, that is your second personal, 4th team foul. Warning for penalty. First attempt is good. Makes both free throws. Entry pass, Belier. Baila. Belier goes to the attack and gets fouled. Foul on number 30. That is a push. 2 shots. Number 30, that is your second personal. Warning for penalty na rin. First free throw is good. Paet. Make both free throws. Warning, delaying of the game. Number 17. Bernard goes for the drive. Grabe yun. Grabe ka, Bernard. Burgos. Katibog. Kuha mo na dun, sir. Katibog. Binigay. Paet. Wala. Rebound. Bernard. Ito na si Bernard. Bernard. And there is a foul. Foul on number 17, that is a blocking. Substitution ref. Number 17, that's going to be your third personal penalty. First attempt is nope.
Sir, wag pumasok.
Second attempt, wala.
Score ka ba?
Baila. 10 seconds to shoot. Basket. Bernard attacks. Wala. Reyno, no look pass. Wala pa rin. Bernardo the rebound. Naagawa ng bola. 2-pointer. Wala rin. Maniego. 10 seconds to shoot. Katibong for 3. Wala. Tapikan. Walang gustong rebound.
Backside, guys.
10 seconds to shoot. Basket. Switch score 54-53. Isa na lang po. Jacoby. Layup is good. Three-pointer, wala. Naagawan ng bola. And there is a foul. Foul number 11. That is a push. Penalty na po. Number 11, that's your fourth personal. 15 foul substitution. Penalty situation po.
Ay, wala eh. Anong mangyayari na tatawagan? Isa pa rin, isa.
Second free throw. Wala. Rebound. Reyno. Sumundot si Sir. And there is a foul. Foul on number 9. Hit to the hand. Penalty po. Penalty na po. Penalty. Number 9, that is your first personal 15 foul. First free throw is good. Makes those free throws substitution, rep, substitution. Basket. Gets defended. Ito na sila. Apat na lang ang Indigo. Behind the back. Natapik pa. And there is a foul. Foul on number 14. That is a push. 2 shots. Substitution rep. Number 14. That is your second personal penalty situation.
First quarter tayo. Third pa lang, sir? Third pa lang ba?
Mainit sila.
Alam mo, fourth shot ba?
Sige, kahit nagliliyab yan.
Basta pwede good. Next ano, marami tayong tubig. Meron tayong dispenser.
Ten seconds to shoot. Gets the basket plus the foul. Basket count, foul on number 2, that is a push. Bonus shot. Number 2, that is your first personal penalty pa rin po. Substitution. Bernard, labas ka muna, number 30. And makes the three-point play. Basket. Wala na po tayong shot clock. 12 seconds remaining. 8. 5. Basket for 3. And that is your third quarter. All right, back to the ball game. Bola po ng mga naka-barney. Indigo ball. Defense po ang white. Indigo, let's go, Indigo. Two-pointer is good. Gets the basket plus the foul. Basket count, foul on number 2. That is a hit to the hat. Hindi ka na rin alam. Chance for a three-point play. Short nga lang, rebound. Follow up, wala. Kanino ang bola? Indigo. Goes to the reverse, gets blocked. Ito na. Uy! Double. It's a dribbling violation po. That's another long three. Wala. Kala ko ringless eh. Ayan. Net lang pala. Less ring. All net, no ring. Tumol. 10 seconds to shoot. That's gonna be same ball. 9 seconds to shoot, 9 seconds. 9 seconds. Nine seconds. Power move, but gets blocked. Ball gets stolen. Ito na si Maniego. Maniego gets hacked, and there is a foul. Foul number 4, that is a hit to the hand. 2 shots. Number 4, that is your first personal, first team foul. First free throw is good.
Yung papalitan.
Doesn't make the second one. Power rebound by number 7. Tumul gets hounded. Tumul advances the ball. Kuha ni number 7. Kanya pa rin. Grabe ka, sir. Grabe. Sobrang lakas. Di kaya ng tawas. Katibo crosses, attacks, uses the glass. That's good for 2.
Ray, kunin mo. Ray, kunin mo.
Arman, power move. That's good for 2.
Nice move, nice move. Tapat, tapat, tapat. Tapat, tapat, oh.
Uses the screen, and there is a foul. Foul on number 4, that is a hit to the hand. Substitution, ref, substitution. Number 4, that's your second personal, second team foul. Inbound po. Bad pass. Tatlong nakaputi. Gawin mo ng 4. Binigay kay Bernard. Basket. Katibo, let's open. Bumitaw sa 3. Wala. Rebound. Goes with the reverse and sells it. And there is a foul. Wait lang po. Foul on number 7. That is a push. 2 shots. Substitution, rep. Number 7, that is your third personal, third team foul. Pasuyin na lang po sa mga players natin. Tap in po tayo, tap in. Naka-video po kayo. First free throw, wala. Reminder again sa ating mga players. Yung mga balance po natin, pasuyo na lang mamaya after the game. Yun lang. Yun lang ako nalungkot. And make the second one. Ayan na, 2-on-1 situation. Kuaton uses the glass. Belier goes in and out and in again. Nohadera, power move na naman, wala. Gets his own rebound, basket. Basket is good for 2. Bernard Short pasa pala yun. That's good for 2. Bad pass, turnover.
Alam mo na, pag nagsona.
Quaton. Noadera. Traveling yan, sir. That's a dribbling violation. Reyno. Cross-court pass. Maniebo. Susubok sa 3. Wala. Rebound. Jacoby. Binigay sa gitna. Step back. Kahit hindi. That's good for 2.
Ano tawag ka?
Parang nag-step back na hindi eh.
Pineke yung sarili.
Pineke yung sarili. Reyno. Reyno goes for the attack. Goes heavy on the right and gets fouled. What's the call there? Foul on number 30. That is a push. 2 shots. Number 30. That is your third personal 14 foul warning or penalty. First free throw is good. Makes both free throws. Pinlock, one-on-one. One-hander, wala. Ito na si Reyno. Reyno goes on the left. Foul on number 11, that's a blocking foul, 2 shots. Number 11, that's your third personal penalty na po. First free throw is good. That's an air ball and a substitution. Basket pala. Ito na ulit. Lakanilaw. Power move. Wala. Reyno. Katibo. Katibo. Pull up jumper. Wala. Katibog again. Wala. Pinlock with the rebound. Kinakawayan ng mga kakampi. Easy lang na. Reserve timeout po ang mga naka-indigo. 10 seconds to shoot. Low post. Power move. Wala pa rin. And there is a foul. Foul number 9, that is a blocking penalty po. Pero bago yan, time out! Right. Time out! Indigo. the ball game. Official score 79-72. White up by 7. First free throw is good. Second free throw is a miss. Rebound, Nohadera. Binigay kay Jacoby. Advances the ball kay Quaton. Binali kay Jacoby. Dadalhin sa gitna. Pinlock. It's a one-on-one.
Bilang sa isip.
3-pointer, short, rebound, Pait. Nakuha ng Indigo. Pressure defense na galing sa White. Nando si Gatibo, naiwanan for 2. Binili kay Jacoby. Jacoby attacks, layup, goes in and out. Kanino ang bola? Agawan, tinira, kuha ni number 7, basket yan for 2. Ito na ulit, 2-on-2. Baila, layup is an air ball, good po yan. Ten seconds. Traveling po muna sir. Inbound po. White. Oras natin. 2 minutes.
Huwag kang susundot, huwag kang susundot. Baba ka, lateral. Sige, ayan na.
Bernard with the follow-up, and that's good. The last 2 minutes. Reyno, wala. Take this time, Bernard. Hindi nagsasayang ng oras. That's good for 2. Reyno, naando na. Nabitawan nga lang. Na-save? Hindi. Out of bounds. That's gonna be Indigo ball. Oras na natin, 1 minute and 17 seconds. Reyno goes for a dribble fake. And there is a foul. Foul on number 9. That is Emitirad. 2 shots. Number 9, that is your 3rd personal penalty pa rin po. First free throw is good. Second free throw is good. Nohadera, breakaway ba to? Basket. Under 1 minute. Katibog. Naagawan. 2-on-1 situation. Grabe yun. Layup. Wala. White pa rin. 10 seconds to shoot. Tumama nga sir, kaya nga 14 seconds eh. Pero talaga oh. Reyno, Eurostep, nabitawan nga lang. And that is a turnover. Ito na po tayo. Oras natin, 25 seconds remaining. 2 seconds difference between the shot clock. Alright, concede na po. And that is your ball game winner, Team White.